Are you in the market for a soil tester? Well, look no further. This is the one that you're gonna wanna get. A couple reasons why. It is accurate. It goes for the pH, the moisture, the temperature, and the light that is around your soil. And the best part about this is that you're able to pivot this. Why is this important? Is because when you push it directly down on the ground, you don't have to go over on your side to read what those readings are. So the unit itself, really lightweight. It is controlled by 4 AAA batteries. It has a nice rubber grip on the left and the right side to help you push it down in the ground. It has massive buttons in the front, so you could switch it from Celsius over to Fahrenheit and then check your pH. And then of course it does tilt. Now on the bottom, you're gonna have this little cover, which then covers the sensor right on the bottom, and it's gonna give you the most accurate, fast reading for your soil, whether if it's pH or temperature that you're looking for, this thing has it. So let's pop this in the ground and see what it's all about. So here, as you can see, it has your controls. It has the pH right now, which is showing a 5.6, and then we could switch it over to the temperature. Temperature is 87 right now, and if you want Celsius, it's 31. Also, there's a sensor up top to show you how much light is coming into the area. And then of course, on the bottom, you're gonna have your moisture meter over here designated by a raindrop. So when you pull this out of the ground, make sure you try not to pull from the unit itself. Go down on the stem and pull up, because if you keep pulling from the top unit and if the ground is hard, you are gonna rip this out. Don't do that. Trust me, I learned from my experience. And that's how simple it is to use this soil tester. This is important for anybody that is looking to grow some grass this season, to make sure you are in the proper pH levels for the grass seed that you are planting. The reason why I like this one the most is because of the design and that angle. Trust me, having a soil tester that has an angle like that is gonna help you out when you are constantly pushing it down in your ground and finding out what those levels are. Now, having a moisture meter as well as a light reader is also key to make sure you know what type of grass seed that you are gonna be putting down on the ground. So if you are in the market for a great soil tester, go out, grab this one today. You're not gonna be disappointed. I know I'm not, and I know you won't be too. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.